This has truly turned into a jungle. Everything has just exploded between the melons, the okra, the amaranth right here. But you can see now that everything's growing up, perhaps I can start interplanting, because this all is going to block all of that afternoon, like the heat of the day shade right here. It's going to create shade down here. There's some good morning sun coming in. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is start pruning back some of these lower branches to get more sun below in the morning, perhaps in the afternoon as well. Even among this okra right here, some of these older leaves, I'm going to start interplanting for the fall and winter crops. You can see there is some activity on the bottom of the leaf, so I'm not putting this in the compost pile. Quite a bit more space with quite a bit more sun to get those little seeds started. You can see I have the same thing going on here where I transplanted this black strawberry plant. Nope, I think this is the rosella. And I need to cut back this cowpea so that it has plenty of sunshine. And I can't help but share. This is our first Ozark Razorback cowpea flower. It's very pretty, very exciting. More sunlight for everyone though is a good thing. And that includes a little more sun for this jackpea little pumpkin right there. Also, anything that just doesn't look healthy in general, you can see that leaf didn't look good. I already picked this one up. There's a couple others here underneath. Might as well clean them up. Oh, that just fell off. And there we go. Instant healthy plant. There is one thing that I haven't addressed here, and that is compost. As you can see, the bed is dropping down. I need to add something at some point, but there's this balance between what's already growing, what needs to start growing, when do you add that? And perhaps that should have been now, but there are plenty of other things that are growing right now. I don't feel comfortable in adding compost at this point. Of course, when can you do that? When you start having those reservations. But it's something to consider. What is that sweet spot when you're at that in-between stage? I'm sure there's something else that I've forgotten. If there's something that you see that's obvious, definitely please add a comment below. Thanks for watching.